Hi, it's Pete from Everything at Pete's. Today we're going to tackle a Whirlpool lid switch, which is very common for washer machine not working or not spinning. Very easy fix. I'm going to show you in a couple motions. Shouldn't take you any longer than 15 minutes, and we'll be on our way and get started. First things first, as you can see, my washing machine. You would never think this is about 15 years old. I've done a lot of replacements on it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you, but the first thing you want to do is make sure you disconnect the power. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, let's get started. So on this model, and on most models, newer models, they have a little screw behind here. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go ahead and turn this around or reach behind there. You'll see a little Phillips head screw. You're going to take that out or just unscrew it a little bit to enough to get some leverage on here. And I'll show you what that looks like in a second here. When you get the leverage, you'll see you'll be able to kind of pull this forward. So it's kind of an up forwards motion. You'll flip this lid up. Do not be intimidated by all this stuff. It's ridiculously crazy. Okay, so here's your lid switch opener right here. Get one according to your model. Very simple. You're gonna unplug this guy right here. Boom. Okay, and there's a little clip right here that's attached to the grounding wire. You're gonna unscrew this right here. You can use anything to unscrew it, from socket wrench to pliers to whatever have you. So you're gonna unscrew that, and you're gonna take this, and you can use a screwdriver if you want, or your fingers, just as easy as I did it here. And what you're gonna do, get both hands on this sucker. So like I was saying, it's an 8mm socket, and it helps when you lift the actual lid up to help get this out. But once you have that out, it just comes out just like this. It's so simple. So you just take that out, toss that new one, or make sure the new one looks like your old one. And then when you put it back, just kind of go in reverse order. It's as simple as that. And a quick, easy fix usually solves your washing machine from not agitating, not spinning or drying. In my case, I found out that replacing this didn't fix my issue. Mine would not spin dry the clothes. So I did everything. I replaced some seals and whatnot, and went into the actual, the guts, the motor, checked the motor, made sure it was spinning, and it was, because that hardly ever breaks. But I found out there is a neutral in the transmission, so I did take that apart, and it was very easy to do, and buy some gear fluid and go ahead and fix that up. It took about an hour and about a day to dry with some gasket seal, but that fixed my issue. But generally, like I said, this is your issue that that will cause that, and it's very, very, very simple to replace. Okay, so that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.